7 benefits of apple cider vinegar, the facts and how to use it. These days, we keep hearing more and more people talking about apple cider vinegar, of how amazing it is and that it has so many health benefits to offer, and everyone seems to love it. But is it really that amazing, or it's just another hype all around? So in this video, we're going to help you explore some of the facts about apple cider vinegar and the evidence behind its health benefits. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you like this kind of helpful content. Now let's start with, what is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has been around for thousands of years. In ancient times, it was a treatment for coughs and infections. And today, apple cider vinegar is known as a weight loss aid, acid reflux remedy, and many more. As is rich in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and also high in acetic acid, citric acid, and malic acids. In process of making apple cider vinegar. First, exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Next, adding bacteria further ferments the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, which is the main active compound in vinegar. It has strong sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. You could buy pasteurized or raw vinegar in stores, but people most often use raw, unfiltered, and organic apple cider vinegar for health purposes because it may contain more strands of protein, enzymes, natural bacteria, and yeast. These substances, known as the mother, which are the cloudy sediment that give the product a murky appearance you see in the bottle. Some studies suggest apple cider vinegar could boost your health, but most of these studies are small and need further research to prove their claims before it can be recommended as an alternative therapy. Now let's have a look at some of the evidence-based possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar, which you might be surprised. 1. Boost digestive system. Unpasteurized apple cider vinegar contains healthy bacteria that helps keep your digestive system working properly. It could provide relief for those with stomach problems like indigestion or heartburn. This is because it neutralizes stomach acid whilst acetic acid fights harmful bacteria. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to have antiviral, anti-yeast, and antifungal benefits, which are all helpful in supporting microbiome and overall immune balance. 2. Supports immune system. Prevention is better than cure, so protecting your immune system means you're more likely to ward off diseases and infections. Many studies have found that healthy bacteria can help you recover sooner if you do get sick. Meanwhile, apple cider vinegar's antibacterial properties can reportedly fight off pathogens in our body. 3. Improves heart health. Several animal studies have shown that it can reduce blood triglycerides, which cause fatty plaque along your arteries to build up. It also happens to contain a fiber called pectin that's present in apples and vinegar and can help neutralize bad cholesterol and blood pressure. However, there is no strong evidence that leads to a reduced risk of heart disease in humans. 4. Support weight loss. Surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could effectively help people to lose weight. In terms of how it works, it's believed apple cider vinegar makes you feel fuller, so it prevents people from overeating and can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. That's definitely helpful, especially for those who's just started their weight loss journey, when you might need a little bit of help to begin and staying on track. 5. Lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check is important, and studies have shown that the acetic acid found in cider vinegar could be beneficial, especially for type 2 diabetes, which is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. It's believed the acetic acid blocks the enzymes that help digest starch. As a result of this, blood sugar levels don't fluctuate as much after eating starchy foods such as pasta or bread. In fact, drinking some of vinegar before a high-carb meal may help prevent blood sugar spikes. 6. Condition of your hair. Research found that using high alkaline shampoos leads to hair breakage and dryness. Moreover, if you have dry, brittle hair or an itchy scalp, try mixing some unfiltered cider vinegar with equal amount of water and adding it to your hair care routine by using it after washing your hair. Pour the mix onto your hair and quickly massage through. Then rinse it off with water for softer and cleansed hair. The acetic acid in the mother is thought to help lower our hair's pH to combat that dry, frizzy feel. The pH level of our scalp and hair is acidic at around 5.5. Normal hair products are alkaline, which can contribute to our hair becoming brittle and dry. Water can have the same impact too because it's pH neutral. But because apple cider vinegar is acidic, it can help restore hair's pH balance. 7. Better skin and nails. Thanks to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, apple cider vinegar is commonly used as a natural remedy to treat for healthier skin and nails. Some people use diluted vinegar and apply it as a toner. It may help to rebalance natural skin pH and has an exfoliating effect that smooths and softens, as well as improving the protective skin barrier. And for rough cracked heels or mild fungal nail infections, apple cider vinegar is commonly used as a foot soap. Now that you understand the important facts about apple cider vinegar better, here are some tips for you of how you can incorporate it into your diet. And if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash the like button below and turn it into a healthy and beautiful blue for us, so that we know if this video is helpful. One of the best ways to incorporate it into your diet is to use it for cooking, as apple cider vinegar adds a tasty tangy flavor to marinades and salad dressing. You can also add a splash to your favorite sauces and stews for extra flavor. Many people use apple cider vinegar in jarring and pickling. Its acidity kills bacteria that can cause food to spoil. For drinks, if you don't mind its flavor and the strong acidic sense, you may try dilute it straight with just a large glass of water and drink. It's as simple as that. Otherwise, you could try adding in some fruit juice or any smoothies of your choice. Many of the natural healthcare proponents and websites are trying to claim the exceptional health benefits of the apple cider vinegar. But unfortunately, there's just only a little research to support most of these claims. So, more studies are needed to know how safe and effective this remedy is. Therefore, please keep in mind that apple cider vinegar may appear to be safe as long as you don't take excessive amounts of it. And we highly recommend to talk with your doctor first before trying any new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns and that might lead to the other serious issues. So, have you ever tried the apple cider vinegar yourself? Let us know in the comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and watch our next video for more helpful tips.